Okay, next topic is functions in MySQL. I hope this functions word is clear to you because we already read these functions in MySQL in our earlier class. Okay, so see functions are what? These functions, these are very main features of SQL because see create sum of any particular column. So again there should be a function by which we can directly get its sum, right? So this is a very important feature of MySQL. So these functions are categorized into two. These are single row function and then second one is multiple row function. Now let us see single row function and multiple row function. These are what? See from name onwards it's clear that if we say single row function, so it will deal upon a single row, right? So let's check its definition here. Single row functions operate on a single value to return a single value. That means it simply is going to deal on a single value and obviously answer will be a single one. Okay, so just check what are the single row functions. The single row functions are further categorized into these three. Single row functions are further categorized into these three. They are numeric, second is a string function, and then third one is date and time function. Numeric function, second is a string function, and third is date and time function. So single row function is what? Again I am telling you all, single row functions, it operates on a single value and so obviously answer will be a single value, right? Next is what? Multiple row function. Now and see from name onwards it is clear. If I say multiple row function, that means what? It will operate upon multiple rows and it will generate a single value as its output. So let us see, this multiple row functions are also called as aggregate functions. Just remember this term, that is aggregate function. Okay, if anyone is going to ask you what is aggregate function, so aggregate function exactly means multiple row functions. So see definition is given here. Multiple row functions operate on set of rows to return a single value. That means for a multiple row function we necessarily need multiple rows and obviously your answer will be a single value. Okay, see these examples are sum function, AVG stands for average function, and count function. Sum function, average function, count function. There are two more aggregate functions. They are min, M-I-N, mean function, and max function, M-A-X, max function. Okay, so single row deals on a single value. It operates or it works on a single value. Answer will be a single value, and multiple row function works upon multiple values, and obviously your answer will be a single value. So first of all, we are going to deal with single row functions. In single row functions, right now we have seen that the very first one is numeric functions. So let us see what is this numeric function. See, name is what? Numeric. So from here somehow we can link that numeric means what? It is going to deal with the numbers, right? So this is like its definition. Numeric function perform operations on numeric values and return numeric values. Okay, so numeric functions are what? Which simply perform or simply deals with the numbers and obviously your answer will be a number. That is a numeric function. Now let us see what are numeric functions. Now let's just check. The very first one is power function. The very first one is power function, or it can be written as POW. In a bracket we have written two values, that is x comma y. The bracket term, that is x and y, which is written in this bracket, is termed as the argument. Okay, and this power, it accepts two arguments. So from here we can say that power function accepts two arguments, that is x and let us see what is its meaning of this function power or POW. So name onward is clear that it is simply meant to calculate power of any number, right? So suppose if I want to calculate power of power 2 comma 4, suppose I have written power 2 comma 4, it simply means what? 2 comma 4 means that 2 to the power 4 comes out to be 16. So obviously we will write down in this format, select POW or power, in bracket I have written 2 comma 4 bracket close semicolon symbol, so answer will be 16. There are some more examples given here. Just check the answer and just find whether you are getting the answer or not. So this is the very first function, that is power function. Okay, second is round. a round function, that is round of x comma d, or we write down round of x. That means round can accept two arguments, or even it can accept a single argument. Okay, round again, I think from name onwards is clear that if you want to simply round off your number, so we'll make use of this round function. Okay, so just see its description. It rounds the argument x to d decimal places. Let's check example. What is given? Select round minus 1.23. See here, after just find this number. Here no comma is given, and after comma even we cannot find any number. That simply means what? Minus 1.23 is given, and we are supposed to round this number down. Okay, so minus 1.23 is there. What we'll do? We will check after point. After point you can find 2 is there, and we know it very well that if we do rounding of a number, so we need 5, or the number should be more than 5, and because of this the very next number is what? Incremented by 1, right? So your answer will be what? Minus 1, because here 2 is there. Because of this 2, this 1 is not going to be incremented, so your answer is what? Minus 1. Likewise, let's check minus 1.58. So see, from here you can find 5 is there. Okay, 5 is there. We know it very well that if number after